Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English language class and our today's topic is lesson 22. That means the prepositions of time. So all of you take your book and go to page 70 because today we will do exercise 2 and 3 from this lesson. So let's start our class. Now this is exercise number 2 and what is the instruction? Complete this invitation with in, on or at. So now we will use prepositions of time to fill up these blanks and there is a invitation card. So let's fill it up. You are invited to the dance show and dash Friday. So it is dash Friday. So what will you use here and what will you write here? In, on or at. And we know that in our previous class we have discussed about it that before day we will write on. So it will be on here, on Friday. So all of you write here on. Now look, next blank dash 4 o'clock and we know that when we mention a particular time of a day or a duration of a day or a period of a day, we will write here what? Yes, you are correct. We will write here at. So at 4 o'clock. Now dash the evening. So when when we mention the time which is not fixed. Now look, in the previous blank there is a mention of a time, it's 4 o'clock, but now here it's not fixed time. So what will you write here? Yes, we will write here in the evening, or now look like that, in the morning, in the evening. So we will write here in the evening. And now look, there is a name of a school, Hillview Primary School. Now you need to go back to lesson 21, the preposition of place, and we know that when we mention a name of an institution or a name of something which is fixed, name of a fixed institution, we will write here at. So there will be at. So let's read. You are invited to the dance show on Friday at 4 o'clock in the evening at Hillview Primary School. So exercise 2 is complete. Now we will go to exercise number 3 and instruction is write in, on, at, between or under. So we need to use in, on, at, between or under to fill up those blanks. That means we need to use here prepositions of place and prepositions of time to fill up those blanks. So the first one is my class starts dash 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is mentioned here, that means it is the part of a day. So what will be here? There will be at. Now number 2, Christmas is dash 25th December. So this is the day. So what will you write here? Yes, you are correct. We will write here on. So Christmas is on 25th December. Now number 3, the cat is dash the box. Now look at this cat. Where is the cat? Yes, we will write here on because the cat is on the box and the cat touched the surface. So there will be on. Now number 4, the children are playing dash the park. So the park is an enclosed area. So what will you write? That means the children are playing inside the park. So when we mean inside, what will you write here? Yes, we will write here in. Now look, number 5. My father watches TV dash the evening. So there is a evening. So now look, exercise number 2. What will you write here? In. So yes, there will be also in. My father watches TV in the evening. Now look, number 6. I was born dash 2007. So now look, when the time is more than 1 day, what will you write here? That means it's a long period of time. We write here, yes, we will write here in. So I was born in 2007. That means before the year we will use in. Now number 7. April comes dash March and May. So now look, March and May. So there's the name of the 2 months. So April is middle of them. March, April, May. So when we mean something is in the middle position, what will you write here? Yes, we will write here between. So April comes between March and May. Now number 8. Amit is dash the umbrella. Now look at the picture. Where is Amit? Yes, he is where? Yes, you are correct. He is under the umbrella. So we will write here under. So let's read the sentences again. Number 1. My class starts at 8 o'clock. Number 2. Christmas is on 5th December. Number 3. The cat is on the box. Number 4. The children are playing in the park. Number 5. My father watches TV in the evening. Number 6. I was born in 2007. Number 7. April comes between March and May. Number 8. Amit is under the umbrella. So my dear students, this is your exercise number 2 and exercise number 3, and there will be your homework, and it will be homework number 9, and you will do exercise 3 as your homework from lesson 22. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic, and exercise 3 will be your homework from this lesson. So my dear students, do your homework in your SW copies and submit it on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. And it's very important because your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So practice a lot and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah.